Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all the viewers of this video. I, Glomon Bhatt, teacher at MET Sobur, extend my sincere thanks to the management, particularly principal sir of the school, who strived a lot to provide benefit to the students by ways of uploading the series of videos. Since we all are stuck within the four walls of our homes due to COVID-19 pandemic. In this regard, I would like to throw some light on a very important topic, morality, its need and importance. The topic is included there in the class 12 physical education subject. So, dear students, let's start with the word morality and its definitions. Dear students, morality in simple words can be defined as the things that are right, while immorality has to do with things that are wrong, like lying, stealing, and cheating, etc. My dear students, today the dire need of the hour is importing of moral and spiritual education in school, for the simple cause of making these young ones strong, brave, courageous, and valiant enough to fight the unending list of evils. My dear students, the world has witnessed many wars, battles on the base of caste, creed, and color. It is the lack of global understanding that stops mankind from living together. Global understanding and mutual brotherhood is attainable only when children are taught not to see others through rose-colored glasses and to find faults in others. Values like universal brotherhood, faith in one's God, and one mankind should be inculcated in child at early age. This would surely ensure a better tomorrow. My dear students, the need of the hour and rise to the occasion bringing back to the past glory of the Mother Earth and restoring its pristine purity. Only moral education would lead us to attain our ultimate goal of peace on earth. Who can take a better initiative than the budding and tender ones of this world? My dear students, earlier there is a moral code of conduct to society. All people abide by the moral conduct. The moral value become individualistic, these become personal. Whatever moral values of the one person may not be moral value to other person. This is because society has transformed a lot. The urge for money and material things are eroding the values. The corruption may not be moral value to someone, but not be corrupt may be moral value to others. At some points of time, the immoral value person may be caught and punished under law of land. My dear students, now the question is why to impart moral education in educational institutions. Dear students, the need for value-based education is clear from the arguments. Number one, effective value education is in schools and colleges will help students to understand and apply values such as care and compassion, doing your best, fair go, freedom, honesty, integrity, respect, responsibility, understanding, tolerance, etc. in our daily life. Number second, it will help in developing positive social attitudes in new generation, which prompts them to raise their voice against social evils. Number third, meaningful education aims at the all-round development of the learner, the optimal development of the moral and spiritual aspect of the personality needs in the form of value education. Value education is essential for developing democratic qualities such as dignity of the individual, social justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, etc. Number fifth, the harmonious coexistence of the different ideologies in society requires respect for moral and ethical values. Value education encourages these virtues in a systematic manner. Value-based education inculcates a sense of cooperation and fellow feeling among the people. Only value education would lead us to attain our ultimate goal of peace on earth. Value education is needed to give directions to one's social, moral, and spiritual development. This to bring quality to life. So, my dear students, at last but not least, I expect that you will adhere to all the guiding principles of morality in your life. I once again thank you for all listening to me. Thank you.